In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a game without internet on your laptop using Microsoft Edge. This is perfect for times when you're offline but looking for a fun way to pass the time. We'll walk through the straightforward steps to access the hidden surfing game that comes with the Edge browser. So let's dive right in. First, make sure your laptop is powered on and ready to go. Navigate to Microsoft Edge, your browser of choice for this task. You might be familiar with Edge as it's the default browser in Windows. Just click on its icon and you're ready for the next step. Now, with Edge open, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the browser window. This is the place where you'll usually type in website URLs. Instead of searching for an online game or anything on the web, simply type edge/surf into the address bar. Once you've entered this command, press the enter key. What we're doing here is accessing a built-in game that doesn't require an internet connection, so even if you're offline, you can enjoy a quick gaming session. After you hit enter, you'll notice that the game begins to load automatically. It's pretty fast, and within seconds you'll see the game screen appear. This is a fun little surfing game that's a great way to unwind and relax. You can control the surfer with your keyboard arrows and it's quite intuitive. The game offers different modes to keep things interesting. Once you start playing, you might want to experiment with the options available. For instance, the default mode is set up for a casual gaming experience, but if you're feeling competitive, you can try the time trial mode. This challenges you to surf as far as possible within a set time. There's also the zigzag mode, which mixes things up with an additional twist as you navigate through the course. Each mode offers a unique experience and can help keep the game feeling fresh. Keep in mind these modes are all accessible without any internet connection, making it a perfect pastime when you're offline. Whether you're waiting for your connection to come back or you're on a long flight, this game is ready to entertain you. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to open and play a game without internet on your laptop using Microsoft Edge. Enjoy surfing through the virtual waves and exploring the different game modes available. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this little offline gem a welcome addition to your tech repertoire. Until next time, happy gaming.